In this video, I'll show you how to install VS Code. So let's begin the video. Browser, search here for VS Code, click on the VS Code option, and here there will be first website shown here. Click on the website and here click on the download option. When you click on the download option, there will be three options: Mac, OS, and another options. So click on the window if you're a window. So click on the window if you're Mac. So click on Mac. So I have already installed. So I'm opening and I'm running the VS Code. I'm agree to the agreement of this VS Code and next. All you that is next. So if you create a desktop icon, so create it. I can't create it. So click on the finish and install it. Wait for it. It will be finished in a while.
A few minutes later.
When the installation is finished, so open the VS Code and do some settings in VS Code. These settings are very important because without this setting, you can't run yourself as an expert developer. Yeah, man. If you need to be a good developer, so you need to enable or to install all these extensions. I'll show you in the next video what's the source and what is the extension settings in VS Code to be for a good developer. The most important extension is code run. Without code running, your code can be run because this can run your code. So here I'm going to start it with VS Code. I'm selecting a language that will code in. So I'll select HTML language to code with it. If you are interested in web development, so I have a course. Subscribe for more videos to notify you for another video.